What an ugly bird. What an ugly bird. I've never seen an uglier bird. Where is your son? Where is your son? I don't see your son. Where's your son? When will you bring your son again? Yeah, alright, I'll give you food. You want food? Oof, yeah, no, I hurt my leg. Wait, buddy. Ah, fuck. Come on then. Ooh. You greedy fucking cunt. Look at this guy. Where is your son? Where is your child? Where is your wife? Yes. You know you're an asshole, right? You're an asshole bird. Oh yeah, and here's the cat. I'm holding the phone so I can't pat the cat. Yes, hello Lolly. Say hi Lolly. And then here's another cat. This is Potato. Hello Potato. Yeah. Alright, that's enough of that. There you go. Cat. Bird. It's about 60 centimeters. They can go past the bird, but none of them really like that. It's a bit too close. Lolly. Hello, Lolly.